Hey YouTube, welcome back to Part-Time Fab. So today we've got an unboxing of the Harbor Freight 12-ton press. I'm going to try to do this in two videos. Going to unbox it, see what's in the boxes, lay everything out, and then have another video of assembling it. And then hopefully soon there'll be a video of me using it. Got to put together a few things, and I've always needed one of these, so I thought, shoot, go ahead, pull the trigger, get one. So without further gas bagging about this, let's get into it. Let's open these boxes up. So as you can see, they're labeled here. This is box 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. This is the longest box, but this is by far the heaviest box. So I'm not real sure what to break open first. Maybe let's go with the smallest box. So there will be our cylinder, and these tubes will release it and extend it and all that good stuff. Here's your bag of springs. These are the pins, I think, to hold up the platform. I don't know what you would call it. Where you would set your item that you're going to press a bearing into or press a bearing out of. Various bolts and nuts and washers. Here are your arbor plates. These, I think these are around 7 inches, 5.5 by 5.5. 7 inches must have been the 20-ton model, but these should be plenty big enough for doing what I need to do. Basically, that's it. I know you can't see a whole lot of that, so let's give you a little pan shot here. We'll figure all this out when we get the instructions out, but basically that's it. There's not a whole lot to this thing. We'll get the instructions and put this sucker together, and then later on, after we use it a little bit, we'll do a review. So that brings us to the end of this video. Please rate, subscribe, so you can see part 2 when we put this thing together. Hopefully it's not too bad. But until then, please rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. We see you next time. Thanks for watching Part-Time Fab.